How do I connect a PASCO sensor via USB to Sparkvue software? I'll demonstrate first with this Passport temperature sensor and universal 550 interface. But this same procedure also applies to other PASCO USB-capable interfaces and sensors, including any wireless sensors which have a USB port for direct USB connection without the need for an interface. From Sparkvue's welcome screen, select the sensor data path. If you're using an interface, connect it to your computer via the provided USB cable and power it on if necessary. Then, plug your sensor into the interface. If you're using the traditional installed Sparkvue application, your sensor should automatically appear on this Sensor Experiment Setup screen. If instead you're using the browser-based Sparkvue PWA for Progressive Web App, select this USB icon from the top bar to open your browser's USB connection dialog. Select your sensor or interface, and then the Connect button to connect it to Sparkvue. Repeat the connection process for any additional sensors or interfaces in your experiment. With the sensor connected, now select your preferred route to create an experiment, whether it's building, opening, or selecting the template or quick start. For this temperature measurement, I'll select the digits and graph template, and I'm ready to start collecting data. By the way, you can also connect sensors via USB from within a Sparkvue experiment. In the installed Sparkvue app, they'll be available in the experiment as soon as they're physically connected. But here in the Sparkvue PWA, just select the same USB button from the top bar, select your interface or sensor from the browser dialog, and choose Connect to make that sensor and interface available in Sparkvue.